This morning, I'm just going to get some single crust pie crust ready and put it in the fridge so when he comes over later, that part is ready to go. We just have to get it rolled out and get it ready for the pie. Be a Berenstain Bears lesson here. Don't get impatient like I just did and decide you need to turn it on high, because you will end up wearing the shortening. I'm going to start adding in my water. It calls for 3 to 4 tablespoons of cold water. I've added some ice chunks in it, so it makes it even colder. I'm going to gradually add it in, because as we know, we can't take the water out, but we can continue to add. Just kind of measuring to see how it's coming together. Jesus loves you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy making this recipe.